The shad is in blossom. It's one of those trees that puts on a show pretty early in the season. And the bees are working it for forage really well. They're not our bees. We're near some bee yards, so they're probably a neighbor, so to speak. Although that could be within 3 miles. And traditionally, this is a time or a signal to us that it's time to plant sweet corn. I don't know if we'll get any planted this year, but that shad tree, when that blossoms, is kind of one of the signs that we look to in our area. And these are relatively new for us, the honeyberries, but I see they're blossoming at the same time. Got some bumblebees working them. What I really like about the bumblebees is they work in much cold temperatures and in wet conditions that honeybees don't always work. The honeybees are out working now, the shad. They don't seem to be interested in the honeyberries. And these bumblebees, they're kind of fun. They pollinate a lot of crops that honeybees won't touch, like tomatoes and high bush blueberries are pollinated by these bumblebees. So just one of those little things to look for in your area. There's probably some sort of plant that will tell you when it's time to plant something else. And we found that the shad tree is that sign here. Thanks for watching.